Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. In this video I am going to be talking about the new trend, the vanity cases that are now trending as handbags. There are loads of them. We have Chanel, we have Louis Vuitton, we have Christian Dior. Initially people were using their vanity cases as handbags by just adding a chain onto it, but now these brands have actually come out with bags that are shaped like vanity cases. They're actually vanity cases, but you can also use them as handbags. So this looks really nice. Many of them are really pretty bags, and yeah, you can see in the pictures. You might find out that you have an old vanity bag at home, a vintage one really, that maybe your grandmother or mother has passed down to you, that you are just using as a vanity case. There's so many things you can do to it to make it trendy now. You can just add a chain and just use it as a handbag, which is what most people are doing. And you can get these chains really easily. For instance, in this one, for instance, my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, I just added that chain, that beaded handle to it. So yeah, so they're easy to get. This one cost me less than, I think it was just £2. Yeah, so yeah guys, that's just what I have today to share. If you like what you see, please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.